You think you speak clearly, but do you really? Picture this. You're talking to someone you care about. You have something important to say. You start talking. Halfway through, you lose the thread. The words keep coming. But the point? Gone. You can see it on their face. Eyes glazing over. They nod slowly. They're not following you anymore. You finish. Awkward silence. They say, "Yeah, totally." But they didn't get it. That happens because of habits. Bad ones. Ones you probably don't even know you have. Today I'm giving you 9 fixes. Delivery habits, vocal habits, cognitive habits. Each one is simple. Each one works fast. But here's the thing. The last habit, most people never learn it. It's the reason smart, caring people still lose the people they love mid-conversation, every single time. Stay until the end. That one habit will change how people hear you, forever. Quick question before we start. Have you ever finished saying something and felt like it just didn't land? Like your words went into the air and disappeared? That's a delivery problem. Here are 3 fixes. Habit 1. Pause more. Most of us freak out when there's silence, so we fill it. We keep talking because stopping feels like failing. But here's what nobody tells you. Silence is a weapon. Picture this. You're telling a friend something that really hurt you. You say it fast, rushing through it, filling every gap. They nod. They half listen. The moment passes. Now, picture saying it like this. Something happened today, and it really got to me. Then you stop. Suddenly they're locked in. They lean forward. They ask, wait, what happened? That's what a pause does. It makes people lean in. It gives your words space to land. And here's the part that surprises people. Pausing makes you sound more confident, not less. It signals you're in control. You're not scrambling. You know exactly where you're going. One thing to try today, finish your next point. Stop, count 2 seconds in your head, and watch how the other person shifts. Remember this. Pause creates space. Habit 2. Slow down to highlight. Most people speak at one speed. Fast. They think speed equals impact. It doesn't. Speed equals blur. It's like highlighting every single line in a book. If everything is highlighted, nothing is. Say your partner asks why you love them. Here's the fast version. I don't know, you're just really kind and funny and you always know what to say and I feel comfortable around you. Sweet. Forgettable. Now try this, because when I'm with you, I don't have to pretend to be anyone else. Same feeling. Completely different weight. You felt that, right? Slowing down is a verbal highlighter. Use it right before the point that matters most. Habit 3. Use declarative statements. Imagine this. Your friend asks if you want to grab dinner. You say, I kind of want to, maybe try that new place, but I'm not sure if it's too far and it might be expensive and I don't know if you'd like it, so maybe we could just figure it out? Your friend has no idea what you just said. Now say this instead. Let's try that new Thai place on 5th. I think you'll love it. Short, clear, done. That's a declarative statement. No hedging, no trailing off. Just the point. Delivered clean. Your action step. Next time someone asks you a simple question, answer it in one clean sentence. No maybes, no kind ofs. Just say the thing. 3 delivery habits down. Now, vocal habits. But real quick, if this is already clicking, hit that like button. Drop a comment. Which delivery habit are you fixing first? And subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Because the vocal section, people ignore this completely. And it quietly destroys their voice every single day. Let me ask you something. Does your throat get sore after long phone calls? Does your voice feel weak right when you need it most? Have you ever lost it completely right before something important? That's not bad luck. That's a habit problem. Here's how to fix it. Habit 4. Warm up your voice. Think of your voice like a muscle. You wouldn't sprint on cold legs. But every day people wake up and go straight into long phone calls, tough conversations, social plans, with zero warm-up. The result? Strain, fatigue, a thin, cracked voice. Right when the stakes are highest. Here's your 1-minute fix. Lip trills. Press your lips lightly together. Blow air through them until they vibrate. Like a tiny motorboat. Hold it steady for 1 full minute. Can't get it to work? Press both index fingers gently into your cheeks and try again. There it is. Do this in the car before you pick up your friends. Do it before a date, before a hard conversation with someone you love, before anything that matters. Your voice will be warmer, fuller, and stronger. From your very first word, your action step. Do lip trills for 60 seconds before your next important conversation. Habit 5. Breathe through your nose. This one sounds strange. Stay with me. Right now, how are you breathing? Mouth or nose? Most people mouth breathe without even realizing it. And it's silently wrecking their voice. Mouth breathing dries out your throat. It makes you breathe shallow. It drains your energy faster than you think. Think about the last time you talked for a long time. A long phone call, a deep conversation with a friend, a first date. Did your voice start to fade? Did your throat feel scratchy by the end? That's mouth breathing doing its damage. Nose breathing fixes all of it. It keeps your throat hydrated. It boosts oxygen flow by around 20%. It activates the calm part of your nervous system. It filters the bad stuff before it ever hits your lungs. We take over 20,000 breaths a day. If most of those are working against your voice, that damage adds up fast. Your action step. Check your breathing right now. Mouth or nose? Switch to nose. Keep switching. The results build fast. Habit 6. Use more volume. Not shouting. Presence. Picture this. You're on a first date. Things are going well, but every time you speak, you drop your voice low. They keep leaning in saying, "Sorry, what?" You repeat yourself 3 times. The energy dies. Now picture someone who speaks with warmth and volume. They don't shout. They just fill the space. You feel their confidence before they finish their first sentence. Volume signals belief. It says, "I mean this." It says, "I'm here." A lot of people hold back because they think speaking up is too much. But playing it small is the real problem. If people can't feel your voice, they can't connect with you. Fill the space. Let your voice carry the weight of what you're actually feeling. Your action step. In your next conversation, pretend the person is sitting just a little further away than they are. Speak to reach them. 6 down, 3 to go, and these last ones hit different. Because it's not just about how you sound, it's about what's happening inside your head while you talk. Most people never fix this. And it's why even the best intentions still leave people confused. Don't go anywhere. Delivery habits change how you sound. Vocal habits protect your voice. Cognitive habits change how you think while you speak. Get these right, and everything else locks into place. Habit 7. Finish one thought at a time. Imagine this. You're catching up with a friend you haven't seen in a while. You say, "Oh my God, so much has happened." "Okay, so I moved, and also I started dating someone new, and have you tried that new coffee place? It's so good, but anyway, my roommate is kind of driving me crazy, and did you see what happened with..." Your friend is smiling, but they're lost. When you jump between thoughts, the person in front of you has to chase you. Most people won't. They just nod and wait for a gap. Here's the fix. Start a thought. Finish it. Pause. Then move on. Okay, so the biggest thing, I moved into a new place last month. It's been a lot, but I love it. Pause. Also, I've been seeing someone new. Early days, but it feels good. Pause. And honestly, my old roommate situation was way more toxic than I realized. Same updates. Way easier to follow. One thought lands, then the next one. Remember this. Finish one thought at a time. Habit 8. Use frameworks. Without structure, your brain dumps everything at once. You over-explain. You loop back. You lose people before you reach the point. Here's a framework that fixes this in any situation. It's called CCC. Context, Core, and Connect. Context. Set the scene. Give people the why before the what. Core. One idea, said clearly, said simply. Connect. Show why it matters to them. Here's the difference in real life. You want to tell your partner you need more quality time together. Without CCC, it sounds like this. "I just feel like we've been really busy lately, and I don't know, I feel kind of distant, and I know you've been stressed, and I don't want to make it about me, but I just miss you. And I feel like we never really talk anymore," and they feel attacked, or overwhelmed, or both. With CCC, lately it feels like we've both been so busy. That's the context. I really miss spending real time with you. That's the core. Even just one night a week, no phones, and I think it would bring us so much closer. That's the connect. Same feeling. One version starts a fight, the other starts a conversation. Your action step, use CCC the next time you need to bring something up with someone you care about. Habit 9. Use analogies. Here it is. The one most people never learn. The one that separates people who sound smart from people who actually get through to others. Picture this. Your friend is going through a rough patch. They keep dating the wrong people. You want to help them see the pattern. You say you're just unconsciously seeking out emotionally unavailable partners because it mirrors your early attachment style and feels familiar, even though it's dysfunctional. You meant well. They heard nothing. Now try this. You know how some people only feel comfortable in a cold house because that's what they grew up in, even when it's freezing? That's kind of what's happening. You keep choosing cold because warm feels weird. But you can change what feels normal. They go quiet. They get it. For the first time, they actually get it. That's what an analogy does. It connects what someone doesn't know to something they already feel. It makes the complex feel simple. It makes you the person people actually remember. Next time someone doesn't get what you're saying, don't repeat yourself. Don't say it slower. Find the analogy. Say it differently. That's the move. Every single time. Your action step. Think of one thing you always struggle to explain to people. Find an everyday analogy for it before your next conversation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.